Dear students, our next chapter is 19 and the chapter name is mapping. It's very important that mapping where we use everywhere we use map. Okay, where we want to go we use map. So we human are social animals. Humans are social. Social why? Because all are living in with each other. Okay, so the area around our home is our neighborhood, and which house with our houses that we are called, that is our neighbors. So that is neighborhood. There are many buildings like hospitals, school, post offices, petrol pumps and markets which provide service to us. So service, it means which we our who fulfill our needs. Okay, so our needs fulfilled by hospitals, schools, post office, petrol pumps and these all. Okay, sketch, landmark, map, sign and symbol help to locate the place where we have to reach. Now these all things tells us about where we want to go. Okay, and that tells us that this place, where is this place, where is this place. Okay, so in this chapter we have to read about these all things. Firstly we read about sketch. Now what is sketch? Sketch is a roughly, okay, sketch is a drawing or a rough map of a place with some important landmarks. See here the map of sketch. बच्चे, sketch means that roughly made by with pencil and with pen on a page. Okay, roughly if you want to go in any colony and you make a roughly that map on a page, okay, with the pencil or with the pen. Okay, so that is called sketch. So it help us to find our way to reach a place where we want to go, that we reached. Okay, next, landmark. Firstly we read about the sketch, now we read about this landmark. Now landmark, what? Landmark a reference point, reference where we want to reach, or places reference, sorry, it means context. Landmark are a context point or a place that help us locate a place where we have to reach. बच्चे, our book having a context on the front page where all things written, all chapters are written is there. This is chapter 1 2 3 4 in sequence written like that. On landmark, reference points, places that help us locate a place where we want have to reach. Okay, so on landmark also a reference point given, and where we want to go we see on that map. A cinema hall, school, market, temple, these are the examples. Okay, even a whole are some landmark which are easily recognized. Recognize, it means easily identify in any locality or neighborhood. So with the help of landmark we easily identify the locality and easily find the place where we want to go with the help of landmark. Now the most important is map. A map represent the exact location of place, exactly where we want to go na, exact that point tell us that map. Like a sketch, a map is a pictorial chart of a place drawn on a flat surface like paper. Okay, it's a pictorial chart like that. If one chapter is given, okay बच्चे, pictorial chart means visual which showing with icons, with symbols, with signs. Pictorial chart of a place drawn on a flat, it means like a chart. Okay, so we have to draw the picture with the particular signs which show that particular area. Okay, so but unlike a sketch, a map show direction in relation to the sun. बच्चे, and some but unlike a sketch, not like a sketch, unlike a sketch, a map show direction in relation to the sun. With respect to sun, they tells us about the directions. A map contains signs. Now map what have, because it is a vectorial chart na, which showing icons, signs, symbols. So here map contains signs, symbol and scales to locate place shown in a book of map is called a atlas. But if there is a too much maps in one book have na, that is called atlas. Types of maps. A map can be a neighborhood, a city, a state, a country or even of the whole world. Now map having what things, if you want to go any neighborhood, okay, and we roughly draw, and with the help of map we have to draw neighborhood, a city and a state, a country, even all the whole world, okay. It can be drawn in any size you have to make. There are many type of map in an atlas. Atlas having a many maps, because it is called a book of map is called an atlas. So there are many type of maps in an atlas. So let us just discuss about that maps. Firstly, political map. Now political map, these maps show the boundaries between countries clearly, that boundaries, okay. If two countries there, and political map showing the boundary between the countries and states and districts, okay, that location shown by political map. Physical map, these maps show the natural vegetation of a region such as forest, grassland and the crops grown in that region. Now natural things, on which map shown, that physical map. Natural things which have that forest, grasslands and crops which grown by farmers, okay. Now vegetation map, these maps show natural or physical feature of a place such as mountain, plain, sea, rivers and lakes. So these all things shown on vegetation map. Transport, from the name we have to clear that the transport map having which, that these maps show roads, railway, airline and routes. Natural resources map. Now natural resources which have, these maps show minerals and other natural resources found in a region. Minerals what have, that we given to our which minerals we use for our crops also and in our daily life also. Minerals like I give you example, different minerals we got from like coal, okay, coal we got, petroleum, all things we got, okay बच्चे. So different minerals have which we used, okay, that are natural resource. Now it's a language of a map. With the help of map we read about the directions, okay. So from the direction we know about this which this area, which is this area, okay, with the help of the directions. Now there is a 4 directions: east, west, north and south. If we stand facing the rising the sun, okay, facing, east is in front of us and west is behind us, okay. East in front us and west is behind to us. So if we stretch both the arms sideway, okay, when we stretch your arms, okay, the left hand point show north and the right hand point show toward the south, okay, south direction. Your both arms show,